Light years away is a phrase that often sparks curiosity, as it combines the ideas of light and time into one scientific concept. In astronomy, however, a light year is not a measure of time but rather a measure of distance. Specifically, it is the distance that light can travel in the vacuum of space over the course of 1 year. Given that light travels at about 299,792 kilometers per second, it moves nearly 9.46 trillion kilometers or about 5.88 trillion miles in a single year. This makes the light year a useful tool for measuring the immense distances between stars, galaxies, and other celestial bodies. This unit of distance helps astronomers describe the universe in a way that reflects its true scale. For instance, when scientists say that a star is 10 light-years away, they mean that light emitted from that star takes 10 years to reach Earth. Therefore, what we see when we look at that star is not what it looks like now but what it looked like 10 years ago. The deeper we peer into space, the further back in time we are looking. This concept is vital in astrophysics because it allows us to understand how galaxies, stars, and planets evolve over time. Observing celestial bodies millions or billions of light-years away has enabled scientists to piece together a timeline of the universe's history. By examining the light from distant galaxies, researchers can study how the universe appeared shortly after the Big Bang. These observations would be impossible without the concept of the light year, as traditional units like kilometers or miles are inadequate for expressing such vast scales. Light years simplify these enormous measurements into something more manageable for scientific discussion. Interestingly, the phrase, light years away, has also found a place in everyday language as a metaphor. People often use it to describe something that is very far off, either physically, emotionally, or in terms of development. For example, someone might say a new technology is light years away from becoming practical, suggesting that the goal is still very distant. While metaphorical, this usage draws from the awe-inspiring magnitude of the actual measurement. In practical terms, even our closest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri, is 4.24 light-years away. That is about 40 trillion kilometers, an unthinkable distance with current space travel capabilities. If a spacecraft could travel at the speed of the fastest spacecraft ever built, it would still take over 70,000 years to reach it. Such realities highlight the incredible expanse of the cosmos and the current limitations of human exploration. Despite these limitations, the light year continues to be one of the most effective ways to communicate the scale of the universe. It encapsulates the dual concepts of distance and time, linking the speed of light with the age and remoteness of celestial phenomena. Through this lens, we not only measure how far something is, but also when in the past we are seeing it. In conclusion, the term light years away serves as both a literal and symbolic expression of distance. In astronomy, it enables us to grasp the vastness of space and the deep history of the universe. In everyday conversation, it reflects how distant or unattainable something might seem. Whether used scientifically or figuratively, it continues to remind us of the grand scale of existence beyond our immediate reach.